This is a 25 years male patient complaining of fever with chills and rigor since 2 days. No any episode before 2 days within 6 months. Complain of vomiting before 2 days, diarrhea before 2 days, and pain in abdomen since 2 days. Before 2 days, there is no any such complaint. Now this is very interesting case. This is liver in focus, and here this hypoechoic area with central cystic area. This is the liver abscess, and it is more likely pyogenic liver abscess, because we can see that these margins of this abscess is not having a definite capsule as we see in the hydrated cyst and the amoeboic liver abscess. In amoeboic liver abscess and hydrated cyst, we see a hyperechoic rim surrounding the abscess. But here there is no any such well-defined capsule encircling the abscess cavity. Here we can see this border. It is not well defined clearly. We will see it with the linear probe. This border here. This is the normal liver parenchyma, and this hypoechoic area is the abscess cavity, and we can see in this linear probe there is no any capsule. Normally there is a hyperechoic capsule, especially in amoeboic liver and hydrated cyst, but here the border is not well defined. Putting the color flow here in this area of the abscess, there is no color flow. Another thing to note is that whenever the patient is taking inspiration, this area is moving, and it is moving because it suggests that this is more of fluid, not the soft tissue. You see this soft tissue, this area is moving, so this is a collection. This is the normal liver parenchyma. You will not see this soft tissue moving. Second important point is that near this abscess there is also one more abscess, but it is having a little bit different texture. Here it is having hyperechoic area inside the abscess. This is suggestive of the what we say, air inside the abscess, gas formation. This area. Here we can see clearly. The gas will give the dirty shadow. Or it could be calcification also, but the feeling is more like that there is a gas inside this abscess, because it is giving dirty shadow. If it is calcification, you will see a posterior acoustic shadow, black color. But here you are not seeing the posterior acoustic shadow, just white here hyperechoic foci, and nothing else apart from that hyperechoic area. Third thing, now the probe is placed in the pelvic area, and if you observe this fluid carefully, this is hyperechoic, a ground glass type of appearance as we see in the endometriotic cyst. This type of texture of fluid is more related to the blood collection, and you can see here these clots, this solid area which is floating inside this fluid. This is a clot. Here also it is a clot. This is clot formation, typical reticulated type of texture, reticulated pattern. This is a clot, and this kind of fluid having the texture little bit hyperechoic and ground glass appearance, it is the blood collection. So this is more likely a ruptured pyogenic abscess, from the liver. A very interesting case. The probe